Welcome back, everyone. I'm out here with my dogs again, and I have a special announcement to Night Wolf. Night Wolf, I found that app you told me about. It's really good. I'm gonna download it tomorrow or tonight. Probably use it, test my skills, and if you always inspired me to draw, so I will be posting a video of what I have drawn. So I'm just gonna post a video of what I have drawn, and then I'm gonna post a video of flip a clip. That's hard to say, I know. And that's pretty much. I will do the same thing you're doing. It's pretty cool.